going to tell you about grammar subject. It is about phrase. In this session, I will tell you about what is phrase, the kinds of phrase, especially adjective phrase and noun phrase. Okay, to know more about that, I want you to join my class.
Okay, our topic now is about phrase. In this special day, I will tell you about noun phrase and adjective phrase. Before you learn about this topic, I will tell you about the learning objective of this topic. Sebelum memulai pembelajaran, saya akan menyampaikan tujuan pembelajaran dari topik ini. Yang pertama adalah siswa mampu memahami pengertian noun phrase dan adjective phrase dengan gembira. Yang kedua, siswa dapat menyusun sebuah phrase baik dalam bentuk noun phrase maupun adjective phrase dalam sebuah kalimat dengan melakukan hal-hal positif. What will you learn? What will you learn in this session? The first is what is a phrase, types of phrase, the third is noun phrase, and the fourth is adjective phrase. Okay, let's see what is phrase. What is phrase? A phrase in a sentence is a group related words that complement the structure of sentence. A phrase is always an important part of sentence. A phrase cannot stand alone as it does not contain a subject and a verb. Hence, a phrase as alone does not give a complete idea. A phrase acts as a noun, an adjective, or an adverb in a sentence. Frase adalah golongan kata yang saling berhubungan tapi tidak memuat bagian subjek dan verb. Dengan mengetahui fungsi serta bagaimana cara menyusunnya akan memberi kemudahan untuk menulis kalimat pada suatu tulisan. A phrase is always an important part of a sentence. Ingat, frase itu adalah selalu merupakan bagian penting dari sebuah kalimat. A phrase cannot stand alone. Sebuah frase tidak bisa berdiri sendiri karena it does not contain a subject and a verb, karena tidak memuat atau tidak terdiri dari subjek dan verb. Okay. Types of phrase. Bentuk-bentuk dari phrase. There are nine types of phrase. There are 9 types. The first is noun phrase, adjective phrase, adverbial phrase, prepositional phrase, verb phrase, gerund phrase, infinitive phrase, participle phrase, and absolute phrase. In this session, I will tell you about noun phrase and adjective phrase. The first is noun phrase. A noun phrase is usually assembled centering a single noun and works as subject, an object, or a complement in the sentence. Frasa bahasa Inggris ini, noun phrase ini, digunakan ketika single noun, kata benda tunggal, tidak cukup spesifik untuk mengarah kepada suatu kata benda. Jadi tidak cukup hanya noun saja. Noun phrase artinya sebuah noun yang terbentuk lebih dari satu kata, perangkainya bukan hanya noun asli, tapi bisa juga verb, adverb, dan sejenisnya. Meskipun terbentuk oleh kata selain noun, sifat dasar noun phrase tetaplah sebagai kata benda. Karena semua kata imbuhan dalam noun phrase berfungsi menjelaskan noun tersebut atau sebagai modifier dari noun tersebut. Okay, let's see the example first. Tina bought a nice pink bag for her sister. Tina bought a nice pink bag for her sister. A nice pink bag. In this sentence, a nice pink bag is an object. It is a noun phrase. Reading novels is a good habit. Reading novel is a good habit. Look at the word, the underline in the sentence. Reading novel. It is the noun phrase. And in this sentence, it functions as subject. She wrote an interesting novel. She wrote an interesting novel. Interesting novel is underlined. It is as an object. It is a noun phrase too. Iran is an amazing singer. Amazing singer is a noun phrase. And it functions as an object. Okay, look at the next. The pattern of noun phrase. How to form the noun phrase. Pola kalimat, bagaimana membentuk sebuah noun phrase. It consists of modifier and head. Terdiri dari modifier, penjelas, dan head atau sebagai intinya. The modifier in this pattern is adjective and the head is noun. The example is interesting novel. Interesting is an adjective, novel is a noun. So, interesting novel is noun phrase. The second, the modifier atau penjelasnya adalah noun. The head atau intinya adalah noun. Jadi bisa juga dalam pembentukan noun phrase, noun and noun. Tadi yang pertama itu adjective dan noun. Yang kedua noun and noun. For example, pet shop. Pet is a noun, shop is a noun. Pet shop yang artinya toko hewan. Gitu. Okay. And the second is adjective phrase. What is adjective phrase? An adjective phrase is a group of words headed by an adjective that describe a noun or a pronoun. Apa itu adjective phrase atau frase kata sifat? Adjective phrase adalah sekumpulan kata yang bertindak sebagai adjektif atau kata sifat yang menggambarkan sebuah kata benda atau kata ganti orang. Jadi bisa menggambarkan kata benda, bisa juga menggambarkan kata ganti orang. The pattern in forming the adjective phrase is modifier and then head. Ada modifiernya juga atau penjelasnya ada head atau intinya. The modifier is adverb of degree. Modifiernya di sini adalah adverb of degree. For example, very. You can say so, you can say to, ya. And the head intinya adalah adjective. In this example, the adjective is interesting. So, very interesting is an adjective phrase. Kata atau frase very interesting itu adalah sebuah adjective phrase. Here the example is very interesting life. Very interesting life. Very interesting is an adjective phrase. The second, the modifier, it can be an adjective, and the head, it can be an adjective too. Jadi untuk membentuk sebuah adjective phrase bisa juga dari modifier atau penjelasnya adalah kata sifat dan intinya adalah kata sifat juga. For example, beautiful brown. Beautiful is an adjective, brown is an adjective too. If we have the complete, beautiful brown hair. Lengkapnya beautiful brown hair. Rambut coklat yang indah. Beautiful brown is the example of adjective phrase. Okay, I think it's really clear for you. Next, the example of adjective phrase. Theo is a well-behaved man. Theo adalah seorang laki-laki yang berkelakuan baik. Tari wore a very expensive gown when she was coming to my birthday party. Tari mengenakan sebuah gaun yang sangat mahal ketika dia datang ke pesta ulang tahunku. Tina is a woman of gorgeous style. Tina adalah seorang wanita dengan gaya yang menawan. She leads a very interesting life. Dia menjalani hidup yang sangat menarik. Okay, they are the example of adjective phrase. And then practice makes you perfect. Latihan itu membuat kamu sempurna. Okay, I want you to do the task. The first is find noun phrase in the sentences. Number 1 has been done for you. She hopes to get the first rank. Your answer is The noun phrase is the first rank. And I want you to do number 2, 3, 4, 5, and you must send it to the Google Classroom. Okay, and then replace the adjective in bold letters by an adjective phrase of the same meaning. Number 1 has been done for you. They live in a stone house. Your answer is they live in a house built of stone. So I want you to do number 2, 3, 4, and 5. I think it's very clear and I hope you can understand this well. So you can send it to the Google Classroom too. And have a nice day and thank you for your attention. Till then.